So, hello again. Let me just stop this for you. So, hello. Where to start? Start as I usually start, I suppose. Sorry about the hair. What's my excuse this time? I haven't got one. Anyway, I'm going to do a bit more Cornish today. I promised to do a bit of Irish. It's the only one I need to do now, but I'll do a bit more Cornish. Anyway, Ireland will have to wait. Yeah, apart from that, I'm going to do a bit of bragging in a way, because I've been chinning eBay, as we say up here, using eBay a lot, and I've been looking for books and things, and I found quite a lot of Cornish books, and I bought them. I bought a few off other sites as well, Cornish sites, mainly off eBay. And I'm going to show you, so you can search for yourself. Every one I've got is really useful. I'm going to start here. This was the first one I bought. It's a little Kernewek dictionary. £4. Really good. I have seen these on eBay. Get one. It's quite a recent book I bought. To that, basically. Story of the Cornish language. That's really good, really interesting. It mentions a lot about Wales, where I'm from, so I found it interesting anyway. This one, A Guide to Cornish Place Names. Zoom out camera. A Guide to Cornish Places. This is written in 1967, so it's quite old and it's very fragile. I nearly dropped it, so that's bad. It just shows, just emphasises really the similarities between that and Welsh, which is really good. This, this was it eBay? Yeah. YOUR Kernewek. They thought it'd be YOUR Kernewek if it was in Wales, but it's not. And it was issue number 14, and 14 is my favourite number, so had to get it. And I love the cover because I want to do Celtic studies, and if you look, it's got every Celtic language describing every Celtic nation, which is really good. So, hold on a sec. There's Kernewek, and there's Kernewek. So, wonderful. See? Issue 14. Actually, where is it? There. The only one of YOUR Kernewek I found on eBay. So that's that. I need to realise that the camera works backwards, pointing all the wrong things. This is another dictionary I've got. It's I don't think it uses Kernewek canon, which is the common, but that's what it means in canon common. It's not the common way of. Is it canon common? Is that right? Well, I don't. I usually see things written in Kernewek canon, which is probably what I'd use, because there's a lot of similarities between Welsh and that. I find it easier. But no, they've got some good stuff in it. But it's definitely not the things that I've seen. Normal cut. You'd see if you had it. You'd know what I mean. This mini guide to Cornish. This one's pretty old too. If you look at this other one I've got, this Guide to Cornish Place Names. What is that? Who uses that currency anymore? I don't say Welsh. I use sterling, sadly. Right, we're not that far behind in the past. No, this dictionary, I think it's a dictionary. Printed in Truro. 15p. The price is there. That's all that is. Good though. Very good. This uses canon, I think. KY. What's K? CI in Welsh. We're so much easier. No, I'm joking. This is one of my favourites. I got this. This is This has been, sorry, what was it? What's it been? This has been withdrawn from Torquay Library Services. I got this on eBay, and it's like a little textbook in a way. It's really good. If you learn this book, you'd speak Cornish. I don't think you're going to get many of these around anymore. It's old in itself. It's even got a card. You take it out. 1955. Very fragile, but I do like looking on it. It is very good. One more. I'm going to show you the folder first. Put it all in here. And I got this off eBay as well. Look at that! Look at that little badge! There it is! It just goes on the back there. Anyway, last one. This is great. Orville and Marville. I said that a bit too Welsh. Marville in Welsh as well. Yeah. And as you can see, I've let my younger sister free with the colouring crayons. But no, it's really good. It's for beginners, you know. You think I thought it was a kid's book, you know. Thought whatever, I'll have it. And it's really good for beginners, no matter how old you are. Right, enough about that. I've just bored you to death. Quickly go through some phrases, I think. Meur Ras is thank you. Meur Plague is please. Pierre what's the time? What time is it? Pandravintardeva. I think I said that right. Deva. What do you want to drink? Pandravinta the ever. Obviously, what I'd say is Pinta Korev Meur Plague, which is a pint of beer, please. All these are actually on the Wostalleth website, which is where I got these. Where I got these from. Yehesdar, Yechidar in Welsh is cheers, good health. Pleman Bisva is where's the toilet, and if I remember from the talks, the Euro talks he did, Pleman Klavji, I think that's a hospital, not that you're going to need that. Pleman Klavji, Pleman, yeah. I think I'll leave it there because I've already bored you to death. Thanks for watching again. Meur Ras, thank you very much, Dydh.